This 2026 Heartland Cyclone 3511 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Heartland Cyclone 3511 is 13,625 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.